Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to access projects on DIKSHA app, how to download DIKSHA app, and how to update your profile. To download DIKSHA app, go to your Play Store and write DIKSHA on the search bar. You will see an option of DIKSHA for school education. Install this app. Now, once the app is installed, you open the app. And if you already have an application, please update the DIKSHA app. When you open the DIKSHA app, the first screen, you have to choose your preferred language. I'll choose English and press on continue. Now on this screen, you have to choose your role. For this demonstration, I'll choose teacher as my role. And if you are a head teacher or headmaster, please choose HTN official. Now the next screen, you will have to choose your board. Click on select board. Now for your state, click on state Meghalaya and then click on submit. Now you will see a screen that will ask you to select your state, medium and class. Select the medium as English, Garo or Khasi and click submit. Now for class, select the classes that you teach. But now I'll choose class 1 and 2. Now after filling in all the details, click on continue. Now you have to select your gender, role, state and district. Now select your gender, role as teacher, state again as Meghalaya, and district. After filling in all the details, click on submit. Now on the screen, you will see a three-dash menu on the left-hand side of your corner. Click on that menu. Now go to login option. If you already have a DIKSHA account, put in your email address and password and click on login. But if you do not have an account, click on register here. I'll click on register here. Now you have to enter your full name and select the year of birth. Now click on continue. Now you have to again select your role, state and district. Select your role as teacher, state as Meghalaya, and district as your district. You can select your block, cluster and school. And after filling in all the details, click on submit. Now you have to put your mobile number and choose a password. Now you have to re-enter the password that you have filled above. Now after filling in all the details, click on continue. Now you would have received an OTP on your email ID or mobile number. Fill in the OTP that you have received. Click on the checkbox that says I'm 18 years plus old and understand and accept the DIKSHA terms. Now click on submit. Now you're registered on DIKSHA and you have to go back on the DIKSHA window. Now put in your email and password. and click on Login. Now again you have to put the registered email and login, and you will see the screen. After logging, you have to now update your profile. Now to update the profile, go on the profile icon that will come in the above. Now click on edit option, select your gender, state, experience, district, block, cluster and school. After submitting all the options, you will click on submit. If you have not selected any of the details or fill in any of the details, the submit button will not enable. Now the button is enabled and click on submit. Now your profile is being updated. Now go on here the 3- menu and click on the option Try New DIKSHA Experience. Once you come on the screen, you will see a tile that says Project. To access the project, you will click on Project. Now under the Assign to Me tab, you will see 2 projects assigned to you. Click on the first project to access the project, that is Innovative Pedagogy in Action. You will also see an option that says Certificate. That means if you successfully complete this project, you will receive a certificate. Now click on the project. And once you come on the screen, you will see the objective and the duration of the project. To start the project, you have to click on Start Improvement. Now you will see a new screen that will show your name. Make sure the name comes in this screen is correct, because this name will also come on the certificate if you complete the project successfully. Now once you have checked the name, click on the checkbox that says Do not show this message again. After clicking the checkbox, click on Start Improvement. Now after clicking on that, you will go to Task Details to see all the tasks. Click on Load More Tasks to see how many tasks are there. Now you will see each task. In some tasks there are View Resources option coming. That means with this task there is a resource attached to it. Now we'll click on First Task and we will see that the status says Not Started. To view the resources, click on View Resource. Now you have to click on the resource that you want to watch and the language that you would want to watch in. Now you can see the resource. Please make sure you watch the complete resource. And once you have watched the complete resource, you will see a screen that says you just completed. After watching the resource, click on Exit. And if you want to again watch the resource for your understanding, click on Replay. Now, once you come back to the screen, you will see a back arrow. Click on the arrow. Now, once you have done this task, you will again click on the task, and when you see a status, you have to click on Completed to make sure that your task is completed. After selecting Completed, click on OK. Now you will see a notification that says your changes have been successful. Now click on the back button and you will see the progress bar that says 1 out of 5 completed. After completing each task, make sure you click on Sync. Now we'll go to another task. and we'll watch the resource that is attached to it. Now again, click on View Resource. Now you will watch the complete resource, read it, and again do the same thing. If you want to read the resource again, click on Replay, otherwise click on Exit. Now again click on the back arrow, go to the task again, select the status as completed and click on OK. Like this, you will mark all the tasks completed once you have done them successfully. After marking the third task completed, you can see your progress bar that says 3 out of 5 completed. This means that you have successfully completed 3 tasks. Mark the 4th task as completed, and your progress bar will show 4 out of 5 completed. Now for the last task, you also have to attach evidences. Now click on Add Files to attach evidences. You can attach evidences in form of files, videos or images. Click on Add Files. Now you have to click on the checkbox that says Content Submitted. Click on that checkbox and click on Upload. Now if you have to select the file, click on File and you will be able to select the resources. After selecting the resources, click on Attach File. You will also be able to see the resource that you have attached. Click on Attach File. Also click on Completed once you have attached all the evidences that you want to attach. Now after you have completed all the tasks, after completing all the tasks, your Submit Improvement button will enable and your progress bar will show 5 out of 5 completed. Now click on Submit Improvement. Again, you will see a screen that will say Submit Improvement. Click on Submit Improvement. Now the last option to click Submit, make sure you click on Submit only if you have made all the changes, because once you submit the project, you will not be able to make any edits. And once you're sure, click on Submit. After submitting the project, you will see a green notification that says, "Congratulations, you have successfully submitted this improvement project." This means your project has been successfully completed. Thank you and we wish you all the very best for this improvement project.